Redo, demystifying the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful word in the English language, redo. If you've ever made a mistake and wished for a second chance, this word is for you. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Redo is a compound word made up of two parts, re and do. Re is a prefix that means again or back. Do is a verb that means to perform or to carry out a task. When combined, redo literally means to do again. It suggests that something has been done previously, but there's a need to perform it once more, often to correct or improve upon the previous attempt. Let's see how redo is used in context. 1. I had to redo my essay because I misunderstood the assignment. 2. She wasn't happy with the paint color, so she decided to redo the walls. 3. If you're not satisfied with the haircut, I can redo it for you. From these examples, you can infer that redo is often used when there's dissatisfaction with the original result or when there's a requirement for improvement. Redo can be used in different forms based on tense and context. Redid, past tense. I redid my makeup before the party. Redone, past participle. The project was redone to meet the new standards. Redoing, present participle. She's redoing her room this weekend. That's a wrap on redo. The next time you come across this word or need to use it, remember it's all about getting a second chance to make things right or better. We hope this explainer has shed light on this useful term. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.